Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Jaguar F-Type. The Jaguar F-Type is a feline bred with a wild streak and a feral yearning to meet or beat any other sports car on the road. This Jaguar F-Type is a thrilling blend of style, luxury, and performance. High power and low weight means effortless speed. F-Type screams uniqueness, speed, and power. In the end, nothing else really matters and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, convertible soft top. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.